Hi everyone, it's Yanina and welcome back to our channel. Today's video is sponsored by Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild gave 25% discount code for our community and you can find it in description down below. Also watch till the end and I will show you how to get some free products from them. My opinions in this video are honest, sponsorship does not affect them. I know Wet n Wild for a while. I started using their products the first time I started using makeup in the US in general. I'm very familiar with them and I will tell you the best products that you can find from them and what worth your money and what doesn't. Watch till the end and I will show you how to save money and how to get some products for free. So first I will show you what Wet n Wild sent to me, and everything else that I will be using in this video I already had and bought by myself. They sent me stick foundation in 3 shades that I smashed a little bit while doing this little photo shoot. Also they sent me Color Icon multi sticks, Color Icon blush, Mega Glow highlighter in Blossom Glow, Photo Focus primer water, cute beautiful blending sponge, Mega Volume waterproof mascara, 2 beautiful lipsticks, metallic liquid eyeliner, and everything else I already had. This sponge looks so cute. It's very soft. So this is the sponge after being wet with water. I'll prep my face with primer water. I think from foundations this is my favorite shade and I'm so happy they made a stick foundation. I already told in my previous video that you can check over here somewhere on top how I love cream products, and this is for a reason. They're really great, and finally we have affordable option for cream product. Go. Sponge will give you sheer coverage. You can do it just with your fingers. Now when I applied foundation on my face just from sticks and with my hands, I can go over with sponge just in the area where I have lines or where I have folds like nostrils, and just make sure that I don't have too much product. If you want to go and you don't have sponge with you, you just have it in your purse, you apply it in the middle of your cheeks and you work with your fingers around your face in problem areas. Then you will not have too much product on your face and it will not be visible. I mean, you will even out your skin tone, but it will not look like you're wearing a lot of makeup. One of the way I was using sticks that they sent to me, it's as a contour stick, and this is so cool. I just outline areas that I would do with like normal contour. Areas when I want it to be slimmer, when I want to have more volume, like I want my head to be my forehead be less, so I'm putting some darkness on the corners to make illusion that it's smaller. See, now it's like a little bit better. And also it gives little sun-kissed look. And this is cream product, so if you will not set it with powders, it may crease and smudge. But if you will set it, it will last longer, just like as all cream products. Putting contours from the middle of your eyes upwards to temples, lift up your eyes. Visually with nose, I like to go almost to the brow. Match it to the brow and a little bit inside. With contour of the cheek, I like to do it in rounded shape, and I think when we do that, it gives more useful appearance than just straight lines. I like this color stick so much. Color payoff is so beautiful, and it just, it's just incredible. I mean, it's so tender. So feminine, but if you will not set it, it may crease. So what you can do, you can put it in the areas where you don't have any folds, like just over here on top. And I also used it in waterline. It was good too. I will put it just on top and outline it. I will use white pencil. That is my essential for any creative work. If I need to draw some kind of object on my face or on someone else's face, I will use white pencil to outline. I will go here, 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 and up. So pretty. I use it on waterline too. So to make sure that you have it even, you can lift up your chin. In this case, you will see, do they look the same? And if you will mess up a little bit, it's not a big deal. You can just wipe it off. It's just makeup. And also with white pencil, it's so easy to take it off. That's why in creative work, I prefer, and a lot of makeup artists prefer, to use white pencil to outline. And Wet n Wild white pencil is so cheap and long. There is one more Wet n Wild miracle, because they sound expensive and a good quality. They're soft, they're synthetic, and just great. So I will take these edges and blend it into my brow. As for makeup artists, it's so hard to clean pen sharpeners, and we have to replace them all the time to keep things centered. And it's so good that we have something affordable that will allow to keep price for our clients reasonable. As consumer, it's also great to have something just like easy and not expensive. So I sharpened my on edge long wearing pencil, and I will tidy up my waterline with this upper waterline. Take your ring finger or like any finger. I take this one because it has more control. I will lift a little bit my eyelid, and I will not poke myself in the eye, but I will try to be as close to the lashes as possible, and I will do in tiny little small sections as it feels comfortable for me. You know, you can take a break. And here I didn't have to lift anything. I will go a little bit in the inner corner to create kind of like cat eye effect. Go over one more time. Chin up. I decided to set the screen with mattifying powder from Wet n Wild. It is translucent, and I will just slightly tap it. This Mega Volume waterproof mascara. I'm applying blush with a sponge for more sheer and blendable coverage. And I will just go over with leftovers over entire face to merge colors together. So for lips, I will be using the red lipstick. Here's a way to make your lip cream product stay all day. First of all, you take napkin. The finest layer, you will take your brush and your translucent powder. Brush and translucent powder. And put it over your lips. Ta-da! That's how lip product will stay longer. Not just lip product, but cream lip product. I also bought a brow kit. Look at that. This is so cool. This probably will go in my kit, maybe, I don't know yet. And here's little brow brush. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. And also here's wax. Oh my god, and it has mirror, look! So that was a mirror in here. So now when I have fresh face, I will go with a highlighter, tapping over. Yeah. I want a glow dripping from this beautiful wave down. I will use also more precise smudger brush from Wet n Wild and go under the brow bone. And here is one of the tricks. Open your chest, spray, spray, spray. Dip your brush. Pull your pots upwards so you can see where to put it. And in the places that I stick it out. Here. And we're all done. And now when we're done with the makeup, I want to show you what I'm getting from Wet n Wild and how I will apply our discount code and save even more money. So I'm getting Color Icon lip liner and Perfect Pour gel lip liner to test them out, and price is different and I want to see how they perform. Then I'm also getting 40 palette because I have James Charles palette and I want to do comparison video. Subscribe please so you won't miss it. Then of course I'm getting Color Icon eyeshadow quad that I just showed you. It's my forever ever favorite eyeshadows. They're so beautiful. Then I want to try out waterproof eyeshadow stick and I'm getting that in brownish color. And then I'm also getting one more lip liner. So I put stuff that I want in my basket, then I apply my discount code that gives you 25% off. I'm not earning any money from this discount, it's just for us to save some money. You will apply discount code and you will see how much it will be in total. If you purchase item for $25, you will qualify for free shipping, and you don't have to pay for shipping, that will be about $5. So if you're not hitting 25 after discount code, just get some more product and you will get free shipping. As simple as that. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and subscribe for more pro makeup tips that will help you in your daily life. And while you're waiting for the next video, check out my Instagram to have more inspo and more pro beauty tips. Bye! See you in the next one!